Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a harvest video. I have my harvest basket with me. I was gonna do it next week, but couldn't wait. But anyways, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing I want to harvest is moringa. I actually want to harvest the flowers. So these are what the flowers look like. They taste really nice. They're a bit bitter, but they taste good. And they make a lot of mess. Just you can see that. But the bees love these, and what I'm just gonna do is pull them like this. That's it. I'll also get some leaves, and you just pull it like this, and it's okay if some of the branches break because it's just gonna regrow. And yeah, and also this does limit the branching also. It does also promote branching, but I take off the shoots because it's gonna mean less branches. I don't know if you understood that, but yeah. And yeah, that's it. Next up is the eggplant. So I could wait a bit longer for this, but I don't want any seeds, and plus they don't get that big. At least this variety doesn't. And what you want to do is use some pruners. These are just some old pruners that I have, but you just want to come here and snip, and yeah, this is what I got. So just next to it I have the butterfly pea, and it's doing really nicely. The last time I mentioned that pests like to eat the flowers. I had 3 flowers, but this is what happens when you don't harvest first thing in the morning. So yeah, they get eaten, but I have 2 flowers. So what you want to do is just put your one finger here and one finger here and twist. And this is also something you can do with beans. So it's basically the same thing with beans. You just twist or just pull. And yeah, and that's it. I cannot wait for these beans to start producing, but I have patience for that. And you can see that there are a lot of new shoots growing, and it's trying to reach the top of the trellis. So I'm excited. So this is lemongrass. I'll actually make a tea with this and the butterfly pea. And what you want to do is just take your scissors and cut maybe from about here, and yeah, so that's it. So I'll just harvest some leaves and I'll be back. The last thing I want to harvest is the arugula, and it's grown amazing. I harvested this maybe about a week ago and it's grown back completely. So for arugula, you just wanna take the plant, just cut off the leaves like that. You don't want to pull on them because it might damage the plant. So just do this, and yeah, it is that simple. The parsley is actually starting to take off, so I can't wait to harvest that. And yeah, I'll finish harvesting this, and show you everything that I got. So I am done harvesting the arugula. You can see that it doesn't look like much, but after a week or so, it just comes back like crazy. And the good thing is it actually gives room for sunlight, for the parsley that's growing here to get sunlight. So that's a bonus. So this is everything that I got. I got a lot of arugula, the moringa flowers, moringa leaves, the butterfly pea flowers, lemongrass, and the eggplant. So yeah. So guys, I just finished harvesting everything. And the reason why you harvest, especially for greens, is once you stop harvesting, that's when the leaves stop production, I guess. At the beginning of its life, it does grow a lot of leaves, but then when you stop, it signals to the plant, halas, I'm done. I can produce seed and die. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon down below, and I'll see you next time.